Alright guys, so here's how to fix keyboard input lag in games. First of all, you need to go and search for device manager. There you go. Then open it. Then from here in the list, you will probably see the keyboard. So you need to expand it like this, and then you need to select the HID keyboard device and right click on your mouse to find out the update driver. So tap on the update driver, and then you need to tap on search automatically for drivers. So it will load up and show you the drivers that you want to install. So for my case, the best driver for your device are already installed. So if not the case, then it will start installing the latest driver for your keyboard. All right. Then if you have done the installation or the updates, then you need to restart your PC to work on the keyboard again. So make sure to restart the PC. All right. Then if you have getting the same issue then over and over again, then you can try out this second method, which is to go to the control panel. All right. Then from here you need to tap on this category button, and then you need to tap on large icons. All right, this will open up a whole new section for you, and then from here you need to find out this keyboard option. So you need to tap on the keyboard, and then from here, as you can see, here is the thing. So first, as you can see, repeat delay. If you are getting a too much delay, then you can make it like short. You can move your cursor on the right like this and tap on apply. All right, then again, like if you are getting thing or the delay again and again, then you can simply move this thing on the right like this and apply. Just play around with these settings, and I hope this might help you out. All right, so hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like and comment down below if this works for you or not, and we'll see you next time.